Right, for my React app, I made a music searching app. Here I have my home page called Platterist, pulling from a turntables basis called the Platter, so playing off that there. I have an input box to search for a song name, then your search button, or as I'm calling spin. And then below that, I have pulling from a component, pulling the top 10 songs. So each card, it provides the song title, the artist, and it's also pulling the album name, as well as then going into clicking on the lyrics button, you'll be given the lyrics for that song. So again, it's showing the title, artist, and then it's just showing the first 30% of the lyrics as I used a free API from Music's Match. And then it's also pulling the album again, and then I have a button at the bottom to spin again. So you can go through those top 10 at the bottom there of the home page, or you can search your own song, hit spin, and then it's going to print the top 3 results. So now each card is doing the exact same thing as the top 10, pulling the same information and also allowing you to go into the lyrics to each song. And again, you can go to spin again to spin again. So I did use Bootstrap to make this, which was my first experience with using it. I did come to find it's super limited as far as what you get with styling. So I was definitely writing the line between Bootstrap styling as well as CSS to get to the design that I wanted, as quite frankly, Bootstrap was pretty bland for my taste. So, yeah, with that, looking at some code, I guess I'd say I'm proud of. I really enjoyed the design side of things, so I might say I'm the most proud of just the styling part of that. Two different components I would say I'm proud of overall would be I was a little intimidated by the idea of implementing a search and pulling information that way. It was surprisingly not as scary as I had anticipated with just doing the right research. I did, however, have a bit of complications with my lyrics component, as this is where I have pulling the most APIs. So, but yeah, with a little play, I was able to figure it out. It's still not 100% what I was hoping to have as my final result. I was wanting to kind of gold status, but including the album cover on each card, as well as a link to play the song through Spotify or Apple Music. But overall, it was a good experience playing with Bootstrap along with the React.